Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This your girl Meek. All day, every day, I'm gonna be me. And today I'm making a homemade cheesesteak because I was hungry and I wanted to do a video. I just moved like a month ago, so I'm just getting situated and trying to get things together. I'm still in the process of doing that, but I want to get into my YouTube and start making videos. I want to get into vlog, hair, and reviews on certain items. Just certain things that, I'm interested in, and hopefully you'll enjoy it too. But other than that, I'm cutting up onions and peppers. I'm about to saute them and put some water into them and just let them get soft and put some salt and pepper on it. And I'm going to add garlic minced to it so that way it'll get some flavor and it won't be as far as, dry. And plus, you don't want to put no raw vegetables inside no meat. Not no cheesesteak. It's not like if it's a sandwich, like no lunch meat or anything. This is hot food. So you would like to cook your peppers and onions and make sure they're soft so that you'll be able to taste it and enjoy it at the same time. So as I was saying, I'm adding the salt and pepper, and I already added the garlic, or I'm about to add the garlic. And I don't put oil. I know most put oil because steaks already have grease inside of, just like bacon. It'll make its own kind of grease a little bit, and if it's frozen, it'll saturate with its water already. So other than that, I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back with more videos to come.